Hi guys! In this video, we're going to practice adding a panel and removing sheet. Firstly, to add a panel, go to the library and select a panel. For example, a vertical panel. Select it and move it to the space or the section you want to put in. And when you see the yellow borders, left click, then it will fit in. And then we can use other tools to adjust it. For example, move it or resize it. And we can also use properties to adjust the panel. Or a horizontal panel. Next, to remove a sheet, select Remove Sheet tool, and then select the panel to remove it. For back panel, we need to remove it in Properties. Go to Back, and in Back Thickness, set 0 to remove the back panel. So this is how we add a panel and remove a panel. For other tools instructions, see you in the next videos.